Welcome to The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Welcome to the presentation on miraSketch elevating digital art into AI-driven caricatures. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. This is Lata Irotu, working as a research associate at Miracle Software Systems. I am excited to present miraSketch to you today and show how it creates unique caricatures using advanced AI technology. Here is the agenda of what we are going to cover in this video. First, I will give you a brief introduction to miraSketch. Next, look at what miraSketch is and how it helps users create AI-powered caricatures. Then explain the step-by-step process of how miraSketch transforms an image into a caricature. Next, we will also explore the technical side of miraSketch, how it processes images, stores them, and integrates with other tools. Key features. We will discuss why AI-driven creativity is important and how miraSketch fits into today's digital landscape. Use cases. Finally, I will show you a live demo of miraSketch in action so you can see how easy it is to create our own caricature. Let's take a closer look at miraSketch and see how it turns your photos into masterpieces with AI. miraSketch is an AI-powered platform that transforms user-uploaded photos into personalized caricatures. By leveraging advanced AI models like V25 and DAL A3, it generates high-quality stylized caricatures and backgrounds. Let's take a look at their photos, choose from various artistic styles, and even add custom prompts to personalize their creation. This makes the platform ideal for entertainment, social media, and marketing, where unique and engaging visuals are essential. Once generated, caricatures can be easily shared through email or SMS using Twilio, making distribution seamless and efficient. Now let's explore what miraSketch is and how it helps users create AI-powered caricature. miraSketch is a fun and creative platform that turns regular photos into personalized caricature. It's perfect for entertainment, marketing, and social media. Businesses can use miraSketch to create attention-grabbing content for things like promotions, social media posts, or even personalized gifts. Users simply upload their photos and then they can customize them by choosing different styles and themes. The platform makes the process easy and enjoyable, helping users create unique and engaging content. miraSketch is a great way for brands to connect with their audience by providing memorable and eye-catching visuals. It helps businesses boost customer engagement and strengthen their brand presence. Whether for marketing purposes or personal branding, miraSketch offers a creative and flexible solution for everyone. Let's walk through how miraSketch efficiently handles image transformation into stunning caricature. Image capture or upload. Users begin by either capturing a new photo using the device's camera or uploading an existing image. The miraSketch platform provides a seamless and user-friendly interface, ensuring a quick and hassle-free upload process. Style and theme selection. Once the image is uploaded, users can select from a variety of styles and themes to personalize their caricature. Additionally, they can provide custom prompts to tailor the transformation according to their creative vision. Image pre-processing. Before applying AI transformations, the system processes the image by removing metadata and optimizing it for processing. This step ensures data security and enhances compatibility with AI models. Generative AI processing. The optimized image is then processed using advanced AI techniques to transform it into a high-quality caricature. The system enhances key facial features while ensuring artistic balance, making the final result fun and visually engaging. Combining caricature and theme. To create a cohesive and engaging final image, the system seamlessly merges the caricature with the selected theme. This step ensures that the final artwork aligns with the user's chosen style. Final image delivery. Once the transformation is complete, the final caricature is delivered to the user. miraSketch offers multiple sharing options, allowing users to receive their artwork via email or SMS, making it easy to share their unique caricature with friends and family. And that's how miraSketch ensures a smooth and efficient caricature creation process. Now, let's take a closer look at how the architecture supports this workflow. This application is built using React and Node.js for the backend. First, the user uploads an image which is processed using the Python imaging library to remove the background and prepare it for further enhancement. Next, the processed image is passed through Hugging Faces V2Unify model, where different styles and themes can be applied to create a cartoon-like effect. Additionally, users can provide a custom prompt to influence the artistic style and details of the final output. The enhanced image is then sent to DALL-E 3, an advanced generative AI model that utilizes deep learning and diffusion techniques to refine and generate additional artistic elements based on the provided input. The system overlays the DALL-E 3 output with the V2Unify enhanced image, ensuring a cohesive and visually appealing caricature. The final output is a high-quality caricature image, ready for use in entertainment, social media, or creative projects. This entire workflow automates the process, making it efficient, seamless, and accessible for users. Let's discuss the standout key features that make miraSketch unique. Let's start with how users bring their photos into miraSketch. They can either take a live photo using their device's camera or upload an existing image. This flexibility makes it easy to start with a personalized image before transforming it into a digital masterpiece. Next, let's talk about customization. Users can choose from various artistic styles and themes to make their digital masterpiece unique. They can even enter a custom prompt to generate a style, with AI giving them full creative control over their final image. Generative AI-driven means the system uses two powerful AI models, V2Unify, which turns real-life images into artistic cartoons, and DALL-E 3, which generates unique backgrounds and enhancements. Together, they ensure a perfect mix of creativity. Seamless image processing. Before AI starts transforming an image, it goes through an important optimization step. Using the Python imaging library, metadata is removed. The format is adjusted and the image is prepped for high-quality processing. This speeds up the workflow while keeping images clear and detailed. The final feature is multi-model integration, which means miraSketch uses two AI models together to create better character as V2Unify makes faces look detailed and cartoon-like, while DALL-E 3 adds creative backgrounds. This makes each image look unique and artistic. Why miraSketch is essential in modern world? By simply capturing or uploading an image, users can personalize the style, theme, or artistic prompt to match their vision. This results in a completely unique and tailored art experience, making every caricature special and meaningful. Next, miraSketch is designed for a variety of creative needs. Whether it's for social media, personalized gifts, or even branding, users can transform their images into fun and shareable artistic avatar. This versatility makes miraSketch an essential tool for self-expression and engagement. Another key benefit is its user-friendly interface. With just a few simple steps, uploading an image, selecting a style, and receiving the final caricature, miraSketch ensures a smooth and intuitive experience. No technical skills are needed, making it accessible for everyone. Next, sharing has never been easier. miraSketch supports sending digital masterpiece via email or SMS using Twilio, allowing users to store or share their creations effortlessly across different places. This ensures their artwork reaches the right audience in a seamless way. Finally, miraSketch brings AI-driven innovation to the world of artistic avatar creation. Users can explore various artistic styles and themes, combining their input with AI's generative power to produce imaginative and engaging images. This fusion of human creativity and artificial intelligence results in truly unique and captivating caricature. Now, let's talk about where miraSketch can be used. First, businesses are always looking for ways to stand out. With miraSketch, caricature and ads and social media posts instantly grab attention, making campaigns more engaging and helping boost visibility and conversions. Now, think about events. Caricature can make invitations, posters, and giveaways more fun and eye-catching. They create a unique and memorable experience that guests will love. Next, let's talk about branding. A digital masterpiece based logo or mascot gives companies a strong, playful identity. It helps brands become more recognizable and approachable. Next, keeping customers engaged is important. Businesses can offer caricature-based rewards or interactive features to make customer interactions more creative and personalized. Finally, let's talk about social media. Whether it's profile pictures, posts, or stories, caricature add a fun, unique, and shareable touch, making content stand out. This is all about miraSketch presentation. Now I will show you a live demo of miraSketch in action so you can see how easy it is to create our own caricature. Page of the miraSketch application. On the left, you can see a caricature style image representing the core feature of miraSketch. On the right, there is a simple and clean login form where users can enter their username and password. Now, let's log in. I'll enter my credentials and click the login button to access the dashboard. Now, let's begin the fun part. Here is the home page of the miraSketch application. I can either capture a new image or upload an existing one. For this demo, I'll upload an existing image from my device. This is an image of one of my colleagues, and I'll be using it to generate a unique caricature. Click the Capture Image button, select an image, and then click Open. Now it's time to add some creative elements. miraSketch offers different artistic styles like Pixar, ink sketch, cartoon, gamer, avatar, art. We can also add thematic backgrounds inspired by Avatar, Avengers, Dragon Ball, Pokemon, Star Wars, Vikings. Plus, there is an option to enter a custom prompt to make the caricature unique. For this demo, I chose the gamer avatar style with an avatar themed background. Let's see how my image turns out. Once I click the generate button, miraSketch starts working its magic. First, it removes the background using pill for a clean cutout. Then, Hugging Face V25 transforms your image into a cartoon while preserving facial details. Next, DALI 3 adds artistic styles and themes to make your caricature unique. Finally, everything comes together to create a fun AI generated masterpiece in just minutes. And in just a few seconds, your AI generated caricature is ready. Here it is. miraSketch isn't just about creating, it's also super easy to share your masterpiece. Users can enter their first and last name and choose to send it via email or SMS. For example, I will enter first name, last name, email, then I click the send button and my caricature is on its way. Now, let me check my email. Here it is. If you open it, you will see a download image button. Click on it to view your generated caricature image. And here is my caricature. miraSketch is perfect for creating unique gifts or sharing fun caricatures on social media. Try it out and let us know which style you like the most. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs. For more on innovation, please visit miraclesoft.com/thelabs.